Hi there from Audrey's, Don Barton here, and we're super excited as we have the Audrey's Open House, our biggest event of the year, from 8:30 to 4 p.m. this afternoon. So, we're celebrating Ken and Audrey's anniversary. They've been in business for over 40 years. It's hard to believe that they started this business back in 1980, and they're still going strong. So if you're in the area, please come on down and take part in the great food, the great fun. We got excellent door prizes, great shopping, and most importantly, great sale items. We have over 1,000 items that are on sale. Let's take a look inside. Everything is fully stocked. Plenty of merchandise. And this is Ken Mall. Ken's been in business since 1980. It's 40 years. We're celebrating our 40th anniversary this year. And Ken, did you want to say anything special? It's our biggest event at the open house this year.
Yes, it's a beautiful day here in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. On our 40th anniversary, we couldn't ask for a nicer day, and a big crowd of people here this morning just waiting to get in the door. And so we're excited to see that, and just excited to share our new product and the product that we have for our customers that can fill their needs for their shops.
All right,
Thank
great.
you.
Thank you, Ken. Hey, Jen, are you ready for today?
I'm so ready for today.
All right, we're ready to get the customers in here and start the day.
Ready to welcome them in.
All right, here they come. Ready to do some shopping and get some sale items. Good morning, everyone.